Bullish Chiliz, CHZ, cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $0.350842 and $0.662702 by 2030. Market experts accept CHZ could reach $0.272877 by 2025. Bearish Chiliz market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.062372. Chiliz, CHZ, presentation. Chiliz gives blockchain-based answers for the games and media outlets. The organization has fostered an exclusive token, the CHZ token, which is utilized to drive its fan commitment stage, socios.com. Chiliz has organizations with the absolute greatest names in sports, including FC Barcelona, Juventus, Paris Holy Saint-Germain, AS Roma and Manchester City. The organization is settled in Malta. Alexander Dreyfus is the pioneer and president of Chiliz. He has more than 20 years of involvement establishing and developing electronic organizations. Preceding sending off Chiliz, he established WebCity, an intuitive travel guide, and Winamax and Chilipoker, both internet-based poker projects. Dreyfus is a sequential business visionary who saw the capability of utilizing blockchain innovation to upset the conventional games industry. Since its send-off, socios.com has quickly turned into the world's driving fan commitment stage, controlled by blockchain innovation. The stage permits fans to decide on club choices through a versatile application or web interface utilizing CHZ tokens. Fans can likewise buy select product and encounters from their number one clubs through socios.com's online business store. What is Chiliz, CHZ? The Chiliz stage was made determined to furnish fans with a better approach to draw in with their number one games groups. The stage utilizes blockchain innovation to permit fans to decide in group choices, and furthermore offers compensations for partaking in the administration of their picked group. The Socios stage is presently utilized by a portion of the world's greatest games clubs, including FC Barcelona, Juventus, Paris Holy Saint-Germain, AS Roma and Galatasaray. Blockchain innovation offers various advantages for the two avid supporters and clubs. For fans, it gives a better approach to take part in the administration of their number one group. It likewise offers straightforwardness and security with regards to deciding in group choices. For clubs, blockchain furnishes a method for interfacing with their fan base and make new income streams. Chiliz is right now worth $0.077965 United States dollars. CHZ has moved 1.26% as of now, with an exchanging volume of $36,415,676. Chiliz is right now positioned 75 among all digital currencies, with a market capitalization of $526,300,649 United States dollars. Using the general strength file, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal combination dissimilarity, MACD. From the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Chiliz, CHZ, to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize constant Chiliz, CHZ, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market movement. Chiliz, CHZ, value forecast 2023. Chiliz, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. CHZ, the CHZ cost figure for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $0.116941. Similarly, as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be slow, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $0.109145 in cost is very aggressive, however it is possible soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. CHZ is supposed to have a base worth of $0.093553. Chiliz, CHZ, value expectation 2024 out of 2024. Chiliz CHZ cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of CHZ will before long outperform $0.194902. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold on to check whether the CHZ's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, CHZ will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.155922 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.171514. Chiliz, CHZ, Value forecast 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0.272863 and CHZ might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. CHZ is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.249475 and a low of $0.233883 in 2025. Chiliz, CHZ, value expectation 2026. Assuming Chiliz effectively supports market opinion among digital currency fans, the CHZ coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, CHZ will be green in 2026. The CHZ is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $0.350824 with a base cost of $0.311844 and a typical cost of $0.327436. Chiliz, CHZ, value expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the CHZ cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.405397 by 2027, with a base cost of $0.389804 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, CHZ has a greatest value worth of $0.428785. Chiliz, CHZ, value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0.483358. In the event that CHZ figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $0.506746. Neglecting to assemble the help CHZ needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $0.467765. Chiliz, CHZ, value expectation 2029. While CHZ is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $0.545726 and a yearly cost close above $0.584707 in 2029. Chiliz, CHZ, value expectation 2030. By 2030, Chiliz will at last outperform its past AF values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $0.623687 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $0.662668, averaging out at $0.639279. Chiliz, CHZ, value expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gauging is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to figure future sticker costs with accuracy, but all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should do your own exploration. In 2031,